Assalamu alaikum my dear students, hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIBS Homeschool. This is Emdadul, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics, National Ideal International School, Daeship. Dear students, today I am going to conduct a math class of class 7. Our today's topic is exercise 11, question 12. This question I will solve in our today's class, and another question here in exercise 11, question 1 up to 7. These 7 questions are MCQ. This is given for your homework. This is your homework 22. Dear students, you can solve this question depending on our last class basic discussion of this chapter. Okay, dear students, so you will do this as your homework and you will submit your homework timely. Okay, dear students, and that here 2 creative questions I have given here. CQ 1, 2. These questions are given for your practice. You will practice this at home. 2 questions here given. Okay, dear students, you can solve this question depending on our last lecture and following our today's lecture also, as I will show in our today's class question 12. Here I will show you how to prepare a frequency distribution table. Okay, dear students, so let us see at first what is our today's question. Our today's question is question 12. Following are is marks obtained in mathematics by 60 students of a class. Make a frequency distribution table. Make a frequency distribution table. It means we need to make a frequency distribution table of these 60 students. Okay, dear students, so to make the frequency distribution table, at first we have to determine the range of the data. Then we have to consider the class interval, and depending on that class interval we have to determine the number of classes at first. So let us see at first how can we determine the range of the data. We can write here 12 solution. At first we have to determine the range, we know, or we can write here from the given data, we get what we will get, the highest number is, if you see the data, what is the highest number here? 50, 84, 73, 56, 97, 90, 82, 83, 41, 92, 42, 55, 62, 63, 96, 41, 71, 77, 78, 22, 48, 46, 33, 44, 61, 66, 62, 63, 66, 64, 53, 60, 50, 72, 67, 99. Okay, up to this 99 is the highest. See the rest numbers: 83, 85, 68, 69, 45, 22, 22, 27, 31, 67, 65, 64, 64, 88, 63, 47, 58, 59, 60, 72, 71, 73, 49, 75, 64. So we obtained the highest number, that is 99. Here the highest number is 99, and from this, if you observe here, 22 is the lowest number or the smallest number. So we can here the highest number is 99 and the lowest number is 22. We obtained from the given data. So we can determine the range now. We know range equal to, range of the data is here highest number minus lowest number minus highest number minus lowest number plus 1. This is the formula for determining the range. So we can put the value, highest number is 99 here, minus lowest number is 22. If we subtract, then add 1, we will get the range. So subtract 2 from 9, it will be 7, 2 from 9, it will be 7, then add 1, it will be 78 now. So 78 is the range. Now see the question, the class interval is not given here. As the class interval is not given, we can consider the class interval. We can arrange the data in table, or we can prepare the frequency distribution table if we consider a class interval. We can consider any class interval, but it will be easier for us if we consider class interval 10. So we can consider here, let the class interval is 10. Class interval is 10. So we can determine the number of classes now. We can determine the number of classes now. So we can write here number of classes. That will be equal to range divide by, we need to divide the range by class interval. So range is 78 here. So divide by class interval 10. That will be equal to 7.8. If we divide, this will be equal to 7.8. But the number of classes cannot be a fraction. So we can consider the next integer. So the number of classes will be number of class is next integer is 8. So we can distribute the data in 8 classes. So now we can distribute here. We can go to the next part. We can write here the frequency distribution table. Is shown below. Is shown below. So may prepare a table here. So we need one for class interval, one for tally. We need one for class interval, one column for class interval, one column for Telemark, and one column for frequency. So at first we can write here at the top, here is class interval, and then we can write here Telemarks, and then here is frequency. Here is frequency. So we can take 8 classes now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. These 8 classes we can consider here. So we can now start the class interval. Dear students, as our lowest number is 22, so we can start from 22 or 21. So if we start from 21 and our class interval is 10, so the highest number will be here in the first class 30. From 21 to 30 there are 10 numbers, so this is the first class. So in this way we can take the second class, that is 31 to 40, 41 to 50. We can write all the classes in this way: 51 to 60, 61 to 70, 71 to 80, 81 to 90, and 91 to 100. Yes, dear students, notice that here in 8 classes our highest number is 100. So as in the given data highest number is 99, so this will be included in the last class. Okay, dear students, so 99 is contained in the last class. So we can say only these classes is needed for the frequency distribution table, only up to this class. Okay, dear students, so now we can put the Telemark. How can we put the Telemark? We'll cut 1 mark here and we'll see the class, in which class the number contained. the number contained in which class, we will put a tally mark there. Okay, so here first number is 50. First number is 50, so we can cut 50 and give a tally mark in 41 to 50. Here is 50. Then second one is 84, so we can find the class 84. Here is 81 to 90, so this is 84. Third one is 73, so we can find 73. 73 is in this class, 71 to 80. Then 56, so we can go to the class 56. Here is 51 to 60, so here is 56. Then next number 97. 97 is in the last class. Here is 91 to 100, that is 97. Okay, then 90. Where is 90? 91 in this class, 81 to 90 in this class. Okay, then 82. So 82 in which class? 82 is 8 in 81 to 90. So 81 to 90. Then 83. Yes, 83 will be also in that class, that is 83. Okay, dear students, now next number 41. Where is 41? 41 will be in the third class, that is 41. So now next number 92. Where is 92? 92 will be in the last class, so 92. Then 42. Where is 42? 42 is in the third class, 42. Then 55. Where is 55? 55 is in 51 to 60 in this class, 51 to 60. Then 62. Where is 62? 62 is 61 to 70 in this class. Then 63. Where is 63? 63 is also 61 to 70 in this class. Then 96. Where is 96? 96 will be in the last class. Here is 96. So now 41. Yes, 41 is in the third class, 41. Now 71. Where is 71? 71 is in class 71 to 80 in this class. 77. Where is 77? Yes, 71 is 71 to 80. 71 to 80 in this class. Now 78. Where is 78? 78 is in 71 to 80. Yes, in this class again. Now 22. Where is 22? 22 will be in 21 to 30 in this class, 22. Now 48. Where is 48? 48 is in 41 to 50. Yes, 4 we have given, so we have to give this diagonally now. Now 46. 46 is in this class again, so we have to give one another. Now 33. 33 is in the second class, so we have to give 33 here. Now 44. Where is 44? 44 is in the third class, so we have to give 44 here. Now 61. 61 is in the class 61 to 70 here, 61. Then 66. 66 will be also in that class again. Now 62. Yes, this one also will be in that class again, so this will be diagonally. Now 63. 63 is also in that class again. Now 64. 64 is also in that class. Now 53. 53 is in class 51 to 60. Now 60. Here is 60. 60 is in class 51 to 60. Now 50. Where is 50? 41 to 50. Now 72. Where is 72? 71 to 80. So we have to give diagonally here. Now 67. 67 in 61 to 70. 67. Now 99. Yes, 99. That will be in the last class. 99. Now 83. 83 is 81 to 90. In 81 to 90. Now 85 again, so here 85, 81 to 90. Now 68. Where is 68? So this will be 61 to 70. 68 here. Now 69. Again 69 here. So this will be here diagonally. Now 45. Where is 45? Where is 45? 41 to 50. There is 45. Now 22. Where is 22? 22 is in the first class. Then 22 again, so 22 in the first class. 27, yes, that will be also in the first class. Now 31, where is 31? 31 is in the second class. Now 67, 67 is in the class 61 to 70. So here is 61 to 70. Now 65, yes, 64, 64. These three also will be here. 1, 2, 3. Now 88, 88 is in class 81 to 90. 81 to 90. 63. So we can write 63 here. 63. Now go to the next number, 47. 47 will be in 41 to 50. So we can write in this way. Now 58, what is 58? 51 to 60, there is 58. Now 59, yes, 59 is also here again. Now 60, 61, 60 is in this class again. Now 72, yes, 72 is in 71 to 80, 72. Now 71, yes, 71 is also in this class, 71. Then 73, yes, 71 is also in this class. Now 49, 49 means 41 to 50, yes, in this class. Now 75, what is 75? 75 is in 71 to 80. So now let's do on 64, we can write here 64, that will be 61 to 70. So we can count the telemark and put in the frequency. Now in the first class, if you observe, 4 tally there. In the second class there are 2 tally. In the third class there are 11 tally here. How many? 11. Now in the class 51 to 60 there are 7, if you count 7. Now in 61 to 70 there are 16 telemarks. 5, 10, 15 and 1, 16. Then here are 9, 5 and 4, that is 9. Here are 7 and here are 4s. So we have put all the frequencies here in all the classes. 4 to 11, 7, 16, 9. 4 to 11, 7, 16, 9 and then 7, 4. Now we can count the total frequency. So we can write here total will be here, if we add 4 to 6, 6 and 1, 7, 7, 7, 14, 14, 6, 20, 29, 36, 40 and then 4 left, 1, 1, 2 and 4, 6. Total 60 data here. Yes, dear students, in our given question there are 60 students. So number of students is equal to 60 is correct. So here frequency distribution table is done here. Dear students, it means that we have solved question 12. Dear students, I hope you have understood our today's lecture. Keep practicing at home. Avoid bad parents. Stay home. Stay safe. See you again. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.